Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on your DYON Movie Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar and open Settings. Here in Settings menu, let's select System and then navigate down to Application Settings. Then select Clear Cache option right here and tap Clear to confirm. And this way you will clear all the cache stored on your device and speed up your TV. Now once you select clear cache, you're gonna have to wait for your TV to restart, and once your TV is restarted, you will return to the home screen. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.